was really trying to be quiet and get this bundle out of the box so you guys didn't hear all the noise, but you're gonna hear the noise anyways because I'm gonna unwrap it right here. But I have my Wantable edit box bundle. You know, I always get confused with Wantable because they have what they call an edit, which is regular style clothes, jeans, you know, shirts, stuff like that. And then they have an active wear, which is exercise items. And then they have a men's active edit also. The word edit always throws me off. I don't know why, but it does. But you know what? Let's just get started. See what Wantable sent me. I like the sticker. It's personalized, styled for Barbara. So let's see what's in my bundle. I think you get 7 items, and if you keep 5, you get, jewelry. 20% discount. Shipping is always free. Here's the envelope to return everything. It's prepaid. And on here, they put the post office label, but they also give you a UPS label. So you could pick which place you like to take it. All right, let's get started real quick. The styling fee is only $20 and the styling fee is $20. And that is applied to any purchase that you make. So this is a jewelry pouch. Let's see what's in here. And I'm just gonna do some real quick. All the information will be on the screen and it will be in the description. So let's see. Oh, it's a bracelet. I love bracelets. There is a $20, oh, I already told you there's $20 styling fee. And I'll have a referral link. Ooh, let's try this again. I will have a referral link below if you'd like to give them a try. I'd appreciate it if you use my link because then I'll receive a $25 credit, which would be really nice. Okay, look at this. This is really pretty actually. You know what? I am going to take it out and see what it is, and you guys are seeing everything on the screen, and I'm taking it out because I actually think that I might like it. Well, price is going to play a big part. I'm just getting a little pickier with what I keep. This is cute. It's kind of like it's layered, and it's more like a brown gold. See how this clasp works. Looks a little small actually. Looks pretty tight. I'm used to wearing them looser. Well, that's good. I have small wrists, so that helps. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Okay. Leopard print. Oh, this feels like a blouse. Let's see. Oh, I think I requested this. This is cute. The blouse, V-neck, and it has sheer sleeves. This is pretty cute. This looks lined. Yep. Okay. Uh-oh, black jeans. Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh, just black. I think these, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, darn. Oh, it's a unfinished hem. But they're skinnies. I thought I changed all my profiles, but maybe not. Another pair. Yeah. They're stretch. I like the wash on these. More skinnies. You can tell I'm not as excited for skinnies, but we'll see. The other thing with Wantable, they have a stream, so you can go on there and you can either decline items, like you don't want them to send these items to you because they're totally not your style, but then they also have where you can request, and I know I've requested this. I thought it was a different material though. They don't give you a lot of information about them. What's this? Well, this is cute. It's black, sheer polka dot sleeve. It has the knit cuff. That's pretty cute. What's this? Oh, it's a turtleneck. Yes. But it's not a sweater material. It's kind of like a silky material. But it is a turtleneck, and I was looking for one of these. So we'll see how this wears, how it looks. What is this? Well, first of all, it's brown, and I don't typically wear brown, but you never know till you put it on. Looks like a dolman sleeve with buttons down the arm. Feels nice. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, this is a nice turtleneck. It fits well. It's a little, it's not tight around the neck, but it's just, it sits nice. The length of the sleeves are good. If anything, they might be a little short. I'm just used to really long sleeves, but they actually fit perfect. It's a nice length. Goes all the way around. And this is by TART Collections. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. Oh, all right, I can't hardly breathe in them. I mean, I guess I can, but they're skinnies, they fit like leggings, like they just suck everything in. These are by Articles of Society, and they're just too small. They're just too small. Back up. The length is good on them. 5 pockets. High-waisted. Yeah, these are really tight, really, really tight. Okay, I put on the black jeans by Just Black, and Just Black jeans are probably just not made for my body type because they're high-waisted and they're actually higher waisted than these. I had these on first with this shirt, and it just pushed all this belly out and around. I'm like, oh goodness. I was gonna keep them on, but it was really hard to breathe. It like just gets into your insides, like your organs, like it's pressing on them. It's not good. So I took them off. But I do like the unfinished hem on them, straight leg. I mean, the waist is higher than the ones that I have on. And see, with this shirt and these jeans, it's not pushing out as much of that, I mean, I can feel it. You guys can't see it, but I can feel it up there. Plus, I'm sucking it in. So, because I want to make sure I want to keep this top, because if it's like that on all my jeans, this would be a no. But this is really cute. I'm liking it. It has like little puff sleeves. Oh, we have to see how much it is. So, I don't know. I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? The top is by Supply and Demand. It's really nice. It has the sheer sleeves. That's pretty sexy looking, actually. The V-neck, it is lined. It's just really nice. It fits me perfect. It's a great length. Let's see what the price is. Okay, these jeans are mine. I had to get out of the other ones. I just couldn't breathe, and the crotch moves down in the other ones. My jeans, I don't have that problem. Oh well. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this top is by APRICOT, and it's pretty cute. It's more like a sweater material here. And then of course it has the, what do you call this? I call it netting. It's like a netting material with the polka dots. And then this is knit. It has a nice what do you call it? Trim on the bottom where it kind of helps to suck it in, you know, kind of stay in place. It's really cute. I'm not sure about the high neck though. It just kind of, I don't know, I think it's just too plain. So, I don't know, it's really cute. I think a lot of it depends on the price. We got one more item left. Okay, this is pretty cute. I have to admit, this is very cute. Even the color is okay because it's a darker brown. I don't know, I kind of like it. I like that it has the high neck. It's actually a turtleneck. The buttons on the side are a nice touch, but it's only on one side, so it's not too overpowering. It does have the nice band here, and the band around the bottom is thicker, so it gives you that silhouette look. The dolman sleeves. I don't know, it's pretty cute. I would probably keep doing this. I don't know, pretty cute. Okay, let's do a real quick review. I'll give you my thoughts on each item. Okay. I had some surprises in this box. So let's go over each item and I'll give you my thoughts because I'm just seeing the prices for the first time. All right, let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet, they say it's a peach. And then here's the gold down here. And this is $42. So I'm kind of on the fence. The Jenna leather magnetic bracelet in peach. So I don't know how much I would reach for this because I have bracelets that I really like to wear. Although it is kind of nice. I do like it. So I don't know, I'm on the fence. $42, I'm not sure if it's worth that, but I don't know. Okay, the polka dot top. This is cute, but I think going into fall and winter, I'm gonna get cold in this. I would wear a jacket, you won't even see this, and that just looks like a plain old black top. You know, with I call that a crew neck. So this is $68. No, it's not worth $68 to me. Okay, the sweater that I have on, do I have something on it? No, that's on my screen. They call this an eggplant. This does not look eggplant to me. This looks, well, it does in the light, I guess. Just looking at it, it looks brown to me. But when I hold it up here, it does look eggplant. Okay, this I like. It is $69 by Beach Lunch Lounge, and it is just too scratchy. I looked at the fabric. It is that vicus, whatever it's called, and polyester and a little bit of spandex. It is itchy, it's scratching. So it's not gonna be comfortable, and for the price, no. So it's going back. Vicus, what's that called? Okay, let's see. The turtleneck, this one. Okay, I like this. How much is it? $59, yikes, $59. I saw one online for $39, but they didn't have my size. They only had an extra small left. So I don't know, is it worth keeping for $59? I'm gonna do a little more research online. I didn't spend a lot of time online looking for one of these, but I'm gonna do a little more research before I decide to spend $59 for this. But it is nice, I do like it. It's that modal material. I don't even know what that is. And something else. It feels like spandex is in it. At least it's not modal and spandex. Yeah. So I need to look that material up. I'm not sure what that means actually. Okay, and then there's this one that I requested. I like it, but again, the sleeves, I get cold in the winter and in the fall. And this material is, let's see what it is, if I can read it. Oh, polyester and spandex. I kind of thought maybe polyester. It is that soft polyester, not that crepey polyester. So it is nice. The problem is that I would get cold in this. And you know, with the pandemic, we are not seeing friends. I mean, we are just home unless we see our family. And then we're just pretty much home. So this, how much is this? It is cute. I did request it. $69 by supply and demand. This to me is not worth $69. It's not worth $69 to me because I want things like sweaters that I could just grab and put on and be comfortable no matter what I'm gonna do and be warm. Okay, which pants? These are, oh, these are the Articles of Society, $74. They're just too small. They're straight legs. I'm over the straight legs. These are just black. Just black never fit me correctly. They're always too tight in the waist. $64, but I liked them. So actually, I think if I keep anything, I will keep the turtleneck, and I have a $20 styling fee, so that brings it down to $39. So I might just keep this. I do like the puff sleeve on it. I don't know, I kind of like it. So I'm leaning towards keeping this. Let me know what your thoughts are. I kind of want to keep this, but it's just too scratchy. Just too scratchy. Okay, that's it. That's my Wantable. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.